On the arrest of Dele Farotimi, Deji wrote, kidnapped a lawyer from Lagos and drove him all the way to Ekiti over a defamation issue. And you all wonder why Nigeria is underdeveloped and no cost. And this was done by a sage in the legal profession, our very own Baba Efe, Babalola. May we not descend this snow in old age. Shame. Now, the reason why Dele Farotimi was arrested is coming out little by little. But this is the reason why I used to tell them that an injury to one is supposed to be everyone's injury. Because when all this attack was focused on the people from the southeast, then they attacked them here and there, arrest people, adopt people. People were keeping quiet, and I was warning them. And up till now, someone like Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention. No one seems to be raising an arm. God forbid that such a thing will not continue. Look at how they adopted Almighty Dele Farotimi because he always speaks the truth. They said they want to investigate him because of cybercrime. After raiding his house, he was adopted from Lagos. They drove him to Ekiti, a lawyer. Right from time, I know that the Nigerian state has interest on Dele Farotimi to stop him from speaking the truth. Now, this arrest of Dele Farotimi is complicated. You know, the first publication from Shara reporters and the news that was spreading everywhere is because he criticized Tony Ndomendo, and that was the reason why he was arrested through the petition of Ndomendo, as reported before. Now, Ndomendo has come out to say, no, I'm not involved. Now, they said it's one senior advocate of Nigeria, one lawyer again, F.A. Babandonda, something like that. This is how Shara reporters reported it, that breaking, Nigerian police move human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi to Ekiti State for cyber probe. Now, when I started reading the article, it reads that Nigerian human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi has been taken to Ekiti State by the police officers who arrested him following a raid on his residence in Lagos State. I'm coming now because what they are saying now is they arrested him because of cyber crime probe. So cyber crime, what does it has to do with raiding someone's house? I am coming to tell you why all these things is going on and why I think Nigerian government is after him. Now, it was gathered that the arrest conducted based on a petition by Nnamdi Chief F.A. Babalola, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, was over allegations of cybercrime. Allegations of cybercrime, what does that mean? It has to do with raiding someone's house. Now, Shara reporters learned that after Farotimi's arrest in Lagos, the Nigerian police drove him to Ekiti State by road. As I told you in my previous video, Nigerian human rights activist and 2023 presidential candidate of the AAC, Sowore, has condemned the arrest, describing it as illegal. Now, before I read forward, let me explain something to you. How many of you remember the video Dele Farotimi made last month when he said how he wished on 5 everybody in Nigeria will sit at home? Yeah, he made that video that everybody in Nigeria should sit at home, that protest is not working because government is killing us while we are protesting, that he wants everybody in Nigeria to sit at home. It's part of the reason why people are after him. Yeah, because they know how it hurts when people will come in agreement and say, let us sit at home. They know what it means. They know what is happening in the southeast. Before, if Biafrans are protesting, they will be doing all sort of things, shooting guns, killing them for nothing. And at the time, Biafran said, no, enough is enough. That we've got to start sitting at home. Now, they don't know who they are going to shoot again. That is why they are doing all sorts of rubbish in the southeast. Someone might just come out, they will hold you, they say you're IPOB member. Oh, before you know it, they will miss you. They will disappear you. The other day, 50 people that were arrested when they were going to marriage, and they just tagged them IPOB. If I look at, the way every system is going in Nigeria, it will trigger people who will stand up and destroy this nation in one day. Can you imagine that kind of inhuman treatment? And the judge who who presided over the matter did not even fine the police. That police arrested people, detained them for 1 year. People who are going to marriage, no link with IPOB, nothing. They just tagged them IPOB. It's unfair. All right, let me conclude this article. Sowore said that he spoke with Kunde Akinwande, the commissioner of Nigerian Police Force in Ekiti State Command. He admits that they arrested Dele Farotimi, and that he's being driven from Lagos to Ekiti State by road. I told him categorically that this constituted an abuse of police powers and that a civil case should not have warranted police intervention. Sowore added that when he admitted to me that they were driving him from Lagos, I asked him repeatedly, did he kill somebody? You see, in my previous video, I said something. I said, everyone that speaks the truth, everyone in Nigeria that is speaking against the government, including me myself, we know that anytime they take hold of us, it's going to be like that. But we are not afraid now. We are not afraid of anything. No, not in this world again, that we should be afraid of, our enemies or afraid of human beings like us. The highest thing they can do, the highest thing is to make sure they kill you. That is the highest thing they can do. If they kill one person, that does not erase their ideology that this nation is not going to work again. So if they kill, even though they kill 100 people, that does not stop the idea that this nation will not work again. And that will not make the nation to continue to work. So the earlier everybody realized that we are just in the jungle and the jungle has matured. The jungle has matured. So no matter what you are doing now, be very careful because Nigeria is in the lawless country. They will do everything they want to do against you. Deji Adeyanju was explaining how Mike, the Minister of FCT, who gave contractors job, the contractors use the money to do it. That is how they normally do it if it is small money. The contractor will do it with his money, and then at the finishing of the job, you pay him. Now, the contractor has finished the job and he was testing Wike. My families are hungry. Just try to pay me this money so that we can eat. And Wike sent police to arrest him. They did not see him. They arrested his wife. They asked the wife to lie to the man that they arrested me because of phone. No, they said that you stole phone. The man came, they abducted him, they took him to Wike office, and Wike abused the hell out of him. Is that the country you people want to belong? A country where you don't do anything, police will come and just abduct you because one big man have made a call, one big man who gave them money has asked them to do everything bad against you? How do we find ourselves in this position? And that is why I'm saying this, that the country is too big for a black man to manage. Nigeria is too big for a black man to manage. A black man don't know leadership. A black man is always a puppet. A black man don't know how to rule a very mighty and heterogeneous, languages and cultures. Nigeria is most diverse and heterogeneous nation I've ever seen. Yeah, we have, hundreds of languages in Nigeria. And black man, I said this because I know what I'm saying. Black man don't know leadership. Black man can't lead many people. So it's a problem. And that is why I am advocating always and supporting people who are asking that this nation should be returned to the way we were created. Not by human, but by nature. We were amalgamated together. We were not like this before. Something has gone wrong. And we all must come together to say the truth and stop living in falsehood because it is only the truth that will set us free.